Good afternoon and welcome from MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new listing. It's a 2018 19-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. Boat has a 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard with 100 hours. Ski pole, T-top, the rocket launcher on it. Swim platform, light blue hull, in very good condition. Take a walk around. Bow rail. Take a look at the hull. We'll climb up inside. Take a walk through. Once we get into the Neptune's Delight, you'll see there is a cushion aft over top of the live well. Rod holders, cup holders. There's blue covers for the seat and the console. There's storage under the seat. Boat does have a Garmin GPS, Fusion stereo. Forward cushions. Core. See, white T-top is in very good condition. Overall, it's a very nice boat with very low hours. It is here in Ocean View for sale. My name is Alan. Please call me, email me with any questions. Thank you.